Corruption is one of the biggest problems in the Philippines. We often think it's only the responsibility of leaders to fix it. But what if students like us can break the cycle? So today, I will propose a simple but powerful action: practicing integrity in our daily student life. The key action to students is to practice accountability and honesty, especially in their school. So when students are cheat, plagiarize, or lie, we normalize dishonesty. These small actions may grow into bigger corruption practices in the future. If we may tolerate cheating today, we may tolerate corruption tomorrow. For example, instead of copying of an answer, we should do our own work. Instead of using our shortcuts, we should earn honesty in our results. You can call those out a unfair practices in a respectful way. So when students are practicing integrity, we can build a culture of trust. This creates to those future leaders who values transparency and accountability. Change does not start in the government. It is from us. It is in us. So I will challenge you to be honest even no one is watching. Refuse to cheat. Stand for what is right. These simple actions may seem so small, but together they can break the cycle of corruption. Institutional integrity begins with personal integrity. So if you want a better Philippines, we must start with ourselves today. Thank you.